Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm out here running right now in a freaking nor'easter, and we're getting basically, I think, over a foot of snow right now, and I'm just running a solid like 2-3 miles. It's like 7:30 at night. Been locked in my house all day. Feeling good though. I was not planning on making a vlog, but here I am running in the snow, enjoying myself. So let's go, join the journey. Alright guys, feeling good right now. Only like a mile in. I'm probably only gonna do like 3-4 miles at the most. I'm honestly just out here having fun, so straight snow day, baby. Oh God, the snow's coming in my face right now, but we getting it, baby. Let's go. Oh, look at my hair right now, straight frozen, straight Jack Frost looking. But look at this street, it's not even plowed at all. It's not even plowed. And I gotta run in this thing. So let's go. We out here, baby. We are freaking out here. All right, everyone, I'm back home. My camera is trying to thaw out. I gotta clean this and dry this thing off. But as you can see, we got a solid 3 miles, 28:48, 9:26 pace. Mile 1 was 9:30, mile 2 8:50, mile 2 9:27. As you guys can see on the run, I was kind of just having some fun running in the snow, freaking recording. Dude, my hair is actually soaking wet. I'm not even gonna lie. I guess after that one, I won't be needing a shower. But everyone, I just wanted to take you guys along for a little outside in the snow run. I'm actually gonna show you guys a few little workouts. Got the kettlebell, got the bench. Let's work, baby. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more, drop a comment, check out my podcast, link will be in the description. If you want to check out my Instagram, I post a lot of videos, clips, pictures, stuff like that. Link in the description. Let's work out. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just finishing up this little workout with some push-ups. Getting a little pump in, feeling good, feeling strong, feeling thankful, very healthy, feeling strong, mobile, focused, motivated, happy. Can't complain too much. So check out my podcast, check out my Instagram, links all in my bio, links in the description. Smash that like button, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. I'm training for some Spartan games, some Spartan races, some ultra marathons, some adventure races, and I will be recording it all, documenting it all, making some small documentaries. So everybody, stay tuned, join the journey, help your boy hit 1,000 subscribers. That's what we got to do. We're at like 400 right now. We're not even at 400. So we got to pick up the game. We got to tap into the algorithm. Stay tuned, drop a comment. I'm freaking tired. Let's go.